Hi everyone, how are you? Hope everybody is fine and safe. Today in this session we are going to learn about the topic of arithmetic progression. First of all, what is a progression? Progression ante enti? If a series of numbers follow a particular pattern, then that series is called a progression. Is called a progression. There are so many series of numbers which follow different patterns. Among them, we are going to deal with arithmetic progression. Now, what is an arithmetic progression? Let us take a small example over here. 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. It is given. Are these numbers following any particular pattern? Let us observe. Here, 5 minus 2, it is 3. 8 minus 5, it is 3. 11 minus 8, it is 3. Okay, let us take one more example. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Here also 3 minus 1, it is 2. 5 minus 3, it is 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 5, it is 2. In these two examples, we can observe that the difference between the consecutive terms of the given series is same. Here that difference is 3 and here the difference between the consecutive terms we observe as 2. That means the number is differed by its successive number in the entire series with a single number. The difference should be the same, and that difference is called as, generally, since the difference is common in the entire given series, we say it as common difference. It is common difference. Now, what is an arithmetic progression? If, as we observe, the difference between any two consecutive terms or consecutive numbers, generally we mention any number in a progression as a term. Okay, if the difference between any two consecutive terms in a given progression is same in the entire series, this should be noted down, in the entire series, then that series is said to be an arithmetic progression. Simply we mention arithmetic progression as AP. AP indicates arithmetic progression, not Andhra Pradesh or Arunachal Pradesh, just arithmetic progression. Now, let us consider a series which is an arithmetic progression where the first term is A. Okay? Let the first term of an AP be small a. Okay? Common difference. B small d. Let us try to write the series over here. First term is A and next term the difference needed to be added up, and next term A plus D, it is 2D, and the next term 2D plus D, it is A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on like this. This is a general form of an arithmetic progression. Okay, now this is the first term. Let us say it as T1. T1 equals to A. Now second term T2 equals to A plus D. Third term T3 equals to A plus 2D. Fourth term T4 equals to A plus 3D. One thing we have to observe here, T1, okay, leave it off. T2 in the sense A plus 2 minus 1, 1, A plus 1D. T3, A plus 2D in the sense A plus 3 minus 1 into D. And the third one, T4, we have taken A plus 3D, A plus 4 minus 1 into D. By this, can we write 10th term? We have written T4 as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Then, and so on, if we go on to the 10th term, it will be A plus 10 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 90. If I would like to write the 50th term, then it would be A plus 50 minus 1 into D, which is nothing but A plus 49D. Similarly, let us write 100th term, T100, A plus 100 minus 1 into D, A plus 90. So, now, and so on, T500, A plus 500 minus 1 into D. Yes, T something, A plus something minus 1 into D. Instead of something, let us take N. Then Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. We use this formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic progression. I hope it is very clear. We have taken the first term as A, T1, second term T2 as A plus D in the sense A plus 2 minus 1 into D. T10, A plus 10 minus 1 into D, A plus 90. T100, A plus 100 minus 1 into D, A plus 90. T1000, A plus 1000 minus 1 into D, A plus 9990. Tn, similarly A plus n minus 1 into D, which is a very simple one. Okay, so now we came to understand about arithmetic progression. That means if the difference between any two consecutive terms of the given progression is same, then we say it is an arithmetic progression. Generally, we say the first term of an arithmetic progression as A, we denote it as A, and the common difference generally we take it as D. Okay, and the formula to find the nth term of an AP is Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, let us take some problems based on this. The first question I am giving here is find first four terms of the given or the following arithmetic progressions. Let us see. Okay, APs. The first one, let us take A, it is given as 10 and D is also given as 10. Now, how to find the first four terms? The first term is 10 anyway. The second term is 10 plus 10. The third term is, okay, let us write in this manner. As we discussed previously, the general arithmetic progression, first term is A, then it will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. These are the first four terms. A, it is 10. Second one is 10 plus 10. Third one, it is 10 plus 2 into 10. And fourth one, it is 10 plus 3 into 10. That is 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 20, 30, 10 plus 30, 40. Likewise, let us find the first four terms when A is given as minus 2 and D is given as 0. There is no common difference between the any two consecutive terms of the given arithmetic progression. Then obviously A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. A, it is minus 2 and D is 0. 2 into 0, 3 into 0. Anyway, something into 0 is always 0. Something plus 0 is 0. Something. What is that something here? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Likewise, let us find the first four terms of another AP where A is given as minus 1 and D is given as 1 by 2. Let us write. First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term A plus 2D, and the fourth term is A plus 3D. A, it is minus 1 plus half, minus 1 plus 2 half, minus 1 plus 3 half. Okay, this is minus 1. If we take the LCM, minus 2 plus 1, again it is minus 1 by 2. Anyway, 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. It is 3 by 2. 2 multiplied with minus 1, it is minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3, it is 1, if I am not wrong. Generally, from 3.5, we have taken 1. Okay? We are left with 3.5, not 3.5. 3 by 2 means 1 half. From 1 half, we have taken 1. We can take off 1. We are left with half. Okay? Here minus 1 plus half. Okay? We have added minus 1 to half. Anyway, minus will be the answer. 1 minus half, it is half. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled and it is 0. Similarly, this is the thing. Let us take another numerical where A is minus 1.05, minus 1.25 D is minus 0.25. Again, let us write all the terms of the AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. A is minus 1.25, A plus D minus 1.25 plus into minus anyway minus 0.25. Third one minus 1.25 minus 2 into 0.25, and the fourth one is minus 1.25 minus 3 into 0.25. Let us simplify them first. It is minus 1.25 minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 minus 2 into 0.25. 0.25 in the sense 25 paise. 25 paise multiplied with 2, 50 paise. 50 paise in the sense 0.5. Minus 1.25, 25 paise into 3, 75 paise. 0.75. Now what would be the series here? Let us write. That is minus 1.25. When we have two negative signs, we need to add both of them and need to keep negative sign for the result. That is 1.25 plus 0.25. It is 1.5 because minus sign. Similarly 1.75. Next it is minus 2.0. 1 rupee 25 paise and 75 paise. 2 rupees negative minus 2. Okay. This is about for finding when A, D values are given, we can find the first 4 terms or any number of terms of the given arithmetic progression. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. And here we should always remember the first term of the AP is denoted by A, common difference is D, the series is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. The 10th term is A plus 9D, 100th term is A plus 99D, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, let us take another one. From the following AP, find first term and common difference. First term, common difference. Let us write the first thing. That is 3, and next minus 1, 1, 3. This is the series which is an AP he has given. When it is an AP, then the first term is denoted with 3 and the common difference is always T2 minus T1. Common difference is T2 minus T1. What is T2 over here? Minus 1, minus 3. I think the question is wrong over here. This is minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3. Okay. This is minus 1, minus of minus 3. Minus 1, minus into minus plus 3 minus 1, it is 2. Even because he has mentioned that it is an AP, hence we have taken only T2 minus T1. If you have doubt, even you can check out with T3 minus T2. That is 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Even we can check out with the next 2 terms also. T4 minus T3. T4 it is 3 minus 1, anyway 2. Yes, the given series is in arithmetic progression. Okay, let us take the next problem. It is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. Anyway, we know the first term of the AP is denoted by A, minus 5, common difference D, T2 minus T1, T2 it is minus 1, minus of minus 5, that is 5 minus 1, it is 4. If you have doubt again, you can go for the next two terms, that is D equals to T3 minus T2, 3 minus of minus 1, 3 plus 1 which is 4. Anyway, okay, for any number of terms, if we mentioned it as, it is mentioned it as AP, then obviously the difference between any two consecutive terms is same. That is of course the basic definition of arithmetic progression we have seen so far. Let us take another one. It is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and so on. Okay. The first term anyway A equals to 1 by 3 and the common difference D equals to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Because these are like fractions, the LCM is same, that is 3. 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 3. This is about the first term and the common difference. Let us move on to the next problem. That is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and so on. What is the first term? A equals to 0.6 and the common difference D equals to T2 minus T1, that equals to 1.7 minus 0.6. 17 minus 6, 11. The point needed to be kept in between them, hence the value of D is 1.1 we got. Okay, hope you understood. First term is A, common difference is D. Yes, the series would be A plus D, A plus 2D,